Congratulations. Now inaugurate the Turkey Futsal football. What is it?
Futsal artificial
Futsal
ground,
of the
artificial turf.
artificial turf.
For Latyrke, I think we had already made few futsal ground earlier, but this one was a little late, but it is better. You have a bigger one. The area is around 2000 square feet more, because that was the feedback that we received from the previous futsal ground. The players who were playing, they requested if we can make the size a little bit larger. So that is what we have tried with this one, because as we know that this is also in line with the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister, where we are trying to promote our state as one of the sports hub for not just in the northeast but in country as a whole. We know that the government of Meghalaya is going to organize national games in 2027. So many other sporting events have been promoted in last few years. So many other schemes also have been launched. The sports policy have been launched to support the youth, so that the final dream of winning more medals at the state level, national level and international level for our youth. And also sports will not just serve as a source of entertainment, as a source of hobby for our youth, but it can also become a meaningful source of employment. So with this vision in mind, when we have so many futsal ground in the district, and we have this DMF fund, we are very lucky to have this DMF fund. And in last 1.5 years, we have tried to ensure that the benefit of these district mineral funds are spread across all the district, especially in the regions regions which have not seen the kind of schemes earlier through the DMF funds. And in multiple sector, not just sports, we have renovated many public health centers, we have renovated many schools through DMF schemes. We count the kind of sectors which we have covered, be it water supply. Many times we have given additional funds to JJM.
Wakat 4,000 square feet. Hawaro ki futsal wayo ki to si 4,000 square feet bai. Hapo ka district ni. Hin mat chpau tu li, daman go 4,000. Kayong piwan hi man go kat 4,000 wa hadu. Sa clear yat, kelen yan ka futsal yarap ha ka. Namta ka kot ka kya. Mat ki wa yung ilo asaw pausan paus nem la. Imet ta siya pang lagi leke. Kadi ka surok yung ila slim de. Da jan da kot lopo bi. Nabon bagi snem, nabon teligi snem, dakot lopo, dakadang lopo, hawa, da hebat. Omay nga nang kata ng lesnem garaning onang lailo ti kam ga MLA yung pi. Tanga siya kumeno i-announce pi hanes ni wa. Jan ho chwa ubray match. Uyo igagani surok ustang ni kada ba aslem ni dukutan dargi. To as pa nrupaw kror kani ka surok ukre no ika. Chwa hop na match. The yolo ti jan sa system tam jan arbay bam lopo dipi.